Well, 4 years ago, a Better Call Banking investigation exposed a pool builder accused of leaving hundreds of unfinished pools in 6 counties.
Well, a jury found James Staten of Olympus Pools guilty of fraud in March, and today he is scheduled to be sentenced by a Pasco County judge. Consumer investigator Shannon Bankin will be in the courtroom and has a preview of what to expect.
James Staten has been in jail since his arrest in July 2023, and he faces a minimum of 20 years in prison and a maximum of 285.
As to count 1, defendant is guilty of aggravated white-collar crime.
After a 10-day trial, a jury of 6 women found James Staten of Olympus Pools guilty of 35 felonies in March. Prosecutors argued he intentionally spent at least $1.3 million of his customers' money on a lavish lifestyle.
The overwhelming evidence in this case shows, and what we have proved to you today, and in this trial throughout this time here, is that Mr. Staten is guilty as charged.
The defense argued Staten was merely a bad businessman.
He stayed there. He tried to do everything he could to keep the company going. Bad business plan? Yes. Ponzi scheme? No.
In spring 2021, our Better Call Banking investigation got the attention of authorities, who then started investigations of their own. Hundreds of pools were left unfinished, and some had dangerous holes in their backyards. One of the first to call me for help was Tony Rozier, known as count number 27 in the court case. She tells me that while this verdict won't get their money back, it's justice.
He was stealing money from a lot of us. He needs to pay those consequences.
The sentencing is set for 3 p.m. and each side has asked for 2 hours to present their side on what the verdict should be. I will be there and will bring you that verdict online and on air. I'm Shannon Bacon, 8 on your side.